Am I audible? Okay, fine. Good morning, all. In last lecture, we have seen the concept of what? Just quickly the revision of that one. Today we are going to discuss the concept of what? Factorization, right? And expansion, okay? One of the students has written binomial theory, right? I want one student to say something about the previous lecture, right? Just raise your hand so I can unmute you. Yeah, good morning. Just raise your hand who can explain a binomial theory, right, or theorem, or the concept of that one, what we have seen in a brief. Any one student? Okay, Poojan, right? Unmute yourself and tell me the brief concept about binomial. Poojan, unmute yourself. Poojan, okay.
Hello.
Yeah, just tell me the concept of
Sorry, ma'am.
binomial theorem. It's okay.
Yes, ma'am. We
Yeah,
studied the pyramid theory, which
okay.
shows that how to expand, how the figures are coefficients are expand used in expansion.
Okay.
That their orders that one, and then on giving additions, we give further progressions on
Okay.
adding those numbers which are used.
Yeah.
Suppose in single, yeah, and then we did simple expansion combination, PNC type,
Okay,
NCR,
right. PN. Yeah,
NCR.
NCR, whatever. Right, right.
Yeah.
Okay,
Hmm.
fine. So just today, hope all are login with your updated roll number, right? And in a format one. Now just get ready with the pen and paper for today's session, right? So I'll give you some example to solve also, right? First we'll see the concept and then I'll give you the some examples, right? Okay. So, is that screen is visible? Hello. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So, just 1 plus b raised to 4. Right here, there will be a 1 plus b raised to 4. So, just try to solve it. Write down yourself 1 plus b raised to 4. 1 plus b raised to 4. 1 plus b raised to 4. Quickly. Now I'll unmute randomly, right? Just you have to tell me the concept. 1 plus b raised to 4. Yesterday we have seen, right? A plus b raised to n. Right? A plus b raised to n. This equation. So this is NC0. I told you the A. Whatever the A is there, the power is start with the n and goes up to 0. For b, the power will be start with 0 and goes up to the n. Fine. And this is the equation NCR that we have used for the coefficient. So just apply that thing, that concept for this equation, right? So you will get your answer. Whenever it will be ready, na, just write down me to the, okay, 1 plus 4b, one of the answer is plus 6b square plus 4b cube, okay, plus b raised to 4. Fine. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So the the first term is 1 instead of a. So if you are not supposed to write, then also it's okay. Fine. The next one is it got a b. So that is also you can take. Okay. Fine. The another answer is fine. Okay. Okay. So I think everyone has clear the concept of what that binomial, right? Is there anyone is having doubt? Okay. Okay, fine. So we'll move to the today's topic, and that is what first expansion and removing the bracket. So what happened? Expanding, that means what? Suppose the first one, right? It is given what? 3 into x plus 2. So just we are going to expand it, right? Simple. The 3 will be multiplied with x and with 2. So that is what? 3x plus 6. Fine. The next one is what? Expand x plus 2 into x minus y. So how it is supposed to be done? This that can be done in a two way, right? This x plus 2 is supposed to be multiplied with x and again x plus 2 multiply with y. Or you can do x is supposed to be multiplied with this whole x minus y, right? So that is written here. Okay. This plus 2 again it will be multiplied with what? X minus y, and just you need to solve it, right? So expansion, that means in simple way you are going to do the multiplication operation, nothing else, right? So that will be here. Now the next example, x plus 2 and again another bracket, there will be a 3 term, x minus y plus z. So same way that x is going to be multiplied with this whole bracket and 2 is also multiplied with what? The whole bracket, x minus. So you will get the simplification of this equation. Fine. So this is what, either expanding or removing a bracket. Fine. One more example which will contain here what? Only x plus 2. Here it will be a x square plus 2. So according to that you have to simplify the equation. Fine. Doubt expanding and removing the bracket. Very basic concept, right? Okay. Now after that, factorization. So any one student can tell me something about the factorization or a meaning of factorization? Factorization. Factorization, yeah. Okay, Dev.
It is a method to find the value of variable x, a possible
Okay,
method to find the variable x.
okay, fine. It will be the method to find out the variable x. Suppose an equation is given, right? Okay. Any other answer? Any other student want to say? Okay, I'll randomly unmute. Okay, one of the students. So we'll see it is here or not. Okay, Ankit. Ankit, 32 number. Unmute yourself. To make complex equation in a simpler form. Okay, find okay, in similar form. Okay. Okay, if an equation is given, right, that will be little bit trick. So we want to convert it into a simplification form. Okay. Breaking of one term into two terms, fine. Yeah. Ankit, Ankit, 32 number. Are you here? Just unmute yourself. Yeah, resolving quantity into factors.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. Yeah. Are you here only, na?
Yes, ma'am. I have just joined.
Yeah, I know. What is factorization? What is factorization? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Okay, in
ma'am,
whatever
breaking
language is convenient.
breaking
Yeah.
a polynomial into different factors.
Okay.
Breaking a polynomial into different factors.
Okay, making polynomial equation into different factors, right? Okay. So to find out the value of x, or either just a simple one, right? Here it is written what? X square minus 4. Okay. So x square minus 4, or you can say it is a reverse process of what? Expanding a bracket, right? Factorization is nothing but a reverse process of what? The expanding a bracket. Because expanding bracket, we are going to do multiplication, right? And we are going to find out the simplification. Now here what? X square minus 4 is given to you. Now the factor of, so this is the basic equation of algebra that we have seen, right? So x square minus 4, that means x minus 2 and x plus 2. Now reverse case is what? If it is given and you are going to find out this, so that is called expanding. Here it is written, right, that 3 into x plus 2. If you are going to multiply 3 with the whole bracket, then it is called what? Expand. Now if this thing is given, so what we are going to do, we'll find out that 3 is common, right? So we'll take a 3 out and then x plus 2. So this process is called a factorization. Fine. Any doubt? So what we are going to do today, we'll solve one by one equation, right? In a sequence one. That means in starting we are going to take a simple equation and then we'll move to the little bit tricky one. Okay, fine. So pen or paper साथ में रखना, right? Just keep pen and paper with you only. Fine. Okay, the first one, right? Easy. 3x plus 6. So just 3 is a common that we can find out, right? Because you have a practice of that. So by practicing, we can, after seeing the equation, that will be in our mind that, yeah, 3 is common one and we can get it out from the bracket. So the remaining one is what? X plus 2. Okay. Now, if any doubt na in between, this is the simple one. So just write me in a chat box so we can solve it out, right? Okay, the next one is what? 2x minus 6x squared. So here you can see here 2, that is common one, right? But the another thing is what? Here x and here x squared. So what happened? 2x, the common in both the terms. So we can just take it out, or we can take it as a common one, 2x. And here that is what? 1 minus 3x. Fine. So 1 minus 3x, that we can write down in a bracket. Okay. Again. Now the next one is what? Factorize this. The whole equation is given. 3a into a minus 4 minus 7 into a minus 4. So obviously by seeing this equation, right, there is no common in 3a and 7. That both terms are a different one. So what we are going to do? A minus 4. A minus 4, that will be the, yeah, one of the students have written a minus 4 will be the common one. So one of the factor will be of what? A minus 4. And the another one is remaining one. Which one? The 3a minus 7. So that you can also write down 3a minus 7. So that will be your answer, right? Just you need to, first thing is what? Yeah, the common one, right? So very basic rule is what? Just you need to find out, is there anything can be common from that equation? Fine. Now next step. The thing is what? 2x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 3. So just now here there are 4 terms are there, right? So you need to find out कि common निकलेगा, but कौन से expression को हम combine करें, right? Then we can find out the common in both the one. Okay. So what happens? Suppose I'll take 2x square and 3x, for example. So x will be the common one. Fine. X will be the common one. Okay. And just I'll write down here, x will be the common one. So what will be remaining for that? 2x plus 3. Okay. For example, I have taken this one, right? Now next one, 2x and 3. So there will be nothing in common, okay, in that two term. So this way we can't go. So the another thing is what? Here it is given in a sequence one. That means what? 2x square plus 2x. Yeah. Some have written the answer, that is correct one, right? But just I am explaining in a way that everyone can understand, right? So I'll take this two term first and then this two terms. So 2x will be the common one, so x plus 1. 3 will be the common one, so x plus 1. So our answer will be what? 2x plus 3 into x plus 1. Fine. 2x plus 3 into x plus 1. Sorry. Yeah, answer will be the same. That means what? What do you want to ask? Answer will be the same. And then question mark. The factors are 2x plus 3 and x plus 1. That will be the correct answer. Right? Okay. Now, find out for the given one. 4x square. Write down in your notebook. 4x square. This one. This 4x square plus 20x plus 3yx plus 15y. Here what? X and y both are there, right? Just do it in your notebook. Okay, you can write down in a chat box the answer and I will unmute randomly. मैं किसी को भी unmute करूंगी and then you are supposed to tell the answer. So other can verify, right? The equation is 4x square plus 20x plus 3yx plus 15y. Just 1 minute, right? And I will unmute any student randomly. Fine. I'll unmute 31 Devanshi. 31, yeah, Devanshi.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
from the first two terms, we'll take
Yeah.
4x common, so we
Okay,
get
fine.
x plus 5.
Fine.
And from next two terms, we take
Yeah.
3y common, so
Common.
again we get x plus y. So
Yeah.
our factors are 4x plus 3y and x plus
Okay.
5.
Okay, so our factors are 4x plus 3y and the another one is x plus 5, right? So this is the answer, right? A simple one. Is anyone who is having a different answer other than this? So we can discuss, otherwise it is understandable, right? Okay. Okay, fine, fine. Okay. Everyone is getting the same answer. Fine. Okay. Now next thing. Okay. The next one, x square plus 5x plus 6. Now I'll explain. Okay. So x square plus 5x plus 6. So another way. First one is a common method. Another is what? The equation is like what? Ax square plus bx plus c. Just compare this equation with this one. Fine. So you will find out a, b and c. Okay. I'll just tell the method. So a equal to 1, b equal to 5 and c equal to 6. Fine. So what happened here? A and C are what? 1 and 6. So that multiplication of that is 6. Now we have to divide a 6 into term such that the multiplication of that two term will be 6 and addition is a middle term. Okay. We have to find out two terms such that the addition is 5x and 5, and multiplication is 6. So that is the simple one, right? 2 multiplied by 3, 6 equal to 2 multiplied by 3, and 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So we'll get a 2 term, that is what? Nothing but a 2 and 3. So 5x will be written as a what? This 2x plus 3x. So now same thing what we have done previously, that is what? Common one. So just find out the common. So there is nothing common from this two term. Sorry, the x will be the common from two terms. So x plus 2. 3 will be the common. So 3 into x plus 2. Now we can write x plus 2 and x minus 3. So this is the basic method, right? Okay, any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, fine, fine. Now next thing is here only minus 1. Here only minus 6. So in which way we are going to do it? Because we want multiplication what? And the x square coefficient is 1. So we want that the multiplication will become a minus 6 and addition will become a 5. So obviously 2 and 3 are, 2 and 3 we can't take, right? So what happened? We have to take what? 6 and 1. So plus 6x. This 5x will be divided into two terms, 6x minus x. So we'll get 5x as the answer, and multiplication of that 2 will be minus 6. The again same thing is what we are going to do, a common x plus 6 minus 1 x plus 6. So again we can write down in this format. Fine. Okay. Now here the coefficient is 1. Now here the coefficient is 6. 6x square, I'll write down here 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Just solve this. Quickly solve this. 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Okay. I will unmute randomly, right? And even. I will tell you the right answer after few seconds, right? I will unmute one student. He is supposed to give an answer and then you can cross check it. Okay. I'll unmute. Okay, Deepesh, 7 number. Deepesh, unmute yourself and just give the answer. Yeah,
Ma'am, x plus 9 into x minus 4.
just a minute. X plus 9. Okay, x plus 9. Okay, I'll just write down, then we'll verify. And
X
Yeah.
minus 4.
x minus 4. Okay. Is it a correct one? Any student? Okay. Some are replying no. Okay, fine. Okay. Can you just explain how you have solved it, Dipesh? A and C are 6,
Yes.
6. Sorry, 6 and minus 6. So your multiplication will be what? Minus 36. Just, okay. Your multiplication will be minus 36, right? And you want addition what? 5. So how you have solved it?
Ma'am, x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6.
Okay. And then you
Then-
have pachi common. Okay, you can speak in a Hindi also, right? Yes. Ha bolo.
Ma'am,
Okay, Gujarati ma bolo.
x
Ha, Gujarati.
x is
Gujarati.
common.
Okay.
X common. Then x plus 9
Okay.
or 2 common.
Okay.
X
Okay.
minus.
Deepesh, just a minute, Jo. जस्ट वी नीड टू क्लियर व्हाट, यहाँ पे आप देखो एक्सपांडिंग करो इसका, सी द फैक्टराइजेशन इज अ व्हाट, वो प्रोसेस रिवर्स है किससे, फैक्टराइजेशन से, राइट। देखो ये आपने आंसर बोला x+9 एंड x-4, तो हम क्या करेंगे क्रॉस चेक करने के लिए कि हमें ये इक्वेशन चाहिए, राइट, 6x² + 5x - 6। अगर आप इसको एक्सपांड करोगे सो फर्स्ट टर्म यू विल गेट व्हाट, x²। आप इसका मल्टीप्लीकेशन करो ना, मैं कैसे बताती हूँ, आप क्रॉस चेक कैसे करोगे आपका आंसर सही है या नहीं, राइट। For some time just don't write anything in a chat box, right? For some time please don't write anything in a chat box, I'll explain first, right? Because maybe some other student is having this doubt, because right, and I don't know, so I need to explain it, right? So what happened, Dipesh, जब आप ये करोगे ना so क्या होगा, x², okay, you will get what, x² first term, okay, then what, x will be multiplied with 4, so -4x plus 9x, and you will get what, -36, right? So what happened, you will get what, x², this you will get 5x and -36, so it is not like this. Here you want 6x², 6x², right, and here you will get what, यहाँ पे आपको only x² मिल रहा है, so this is the wrong one, fine, that means what, यहाँ पे 6x² है, that means यहाँ पे x के साथ कुछ तो जाएगा ही, compulsory some coefficient will be there with the x। समझ में आया दीपेश मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, हेलो, समझ में आया? Now you can write down in a chat box. Yeah, right. So yeah, okay, fine, fine. So it is not like that, okay, तो वो आपको ध्यान रखना है, okay. So the answer will be what, answer for this equation is, just I'll scroll down it, right, so you'll get an answer, this will be right. So 2x + 3, who have written this answer, that will be the correct one, 2x + 3, right, into 3x - 2, so that will be the correct one. See here 36, again 9x - 4x, the common is 3x, 2x + 3, इन दोनों में से common आएगा 2, so 2x + 3 and rewrite it again, fine. Now this one, just try quickly this 6x², just the sign is differ, -5x - 6, 6x² - 5x - 6. Do it quickly. Okay. Just sign is different, right? The different is what? A sign. ऊपर +5x था, नीचे -5x. Okay. Actually, ma'am, when you asked me at that time, I did not complete this sum. Sorry. Okay, fine. Quickly I'll unmute someone, right? The just you need to compare it with the previous one. Only the sign difference is there. Sign difference is there, right? Okay, okay. Wait. I'll 47. 47 number. Unmute yourself.
Hello,
Yeah.
ma'am. 6x² - 9x plus.
Just you are not audible actually. Can you repeat it?
Hello,
Yeah.
ma'am. 6x.
3x plus. Yeah. Actually, you are not audible still. Fine. Okay. No problem. Vinay. 45 number. 45 number Vinay. 45 number V9. Do quickly. Yeah, okay. Dhruvin. Unmute yourself, Dhruvin. Yeah,
Answer will be 3x plus 2 and
okay.
2x minus 3.
Okay, the answer will be 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 2 and is it? Okay, no problem. See, the sign is different. In both the term factors, the minus is supposed to be there, right? Minus is going to be there. See, you can see here what? ऊपर क्या था plus 5x, नीचे there will be a minus 5x. So what happens? 6x square minus 9x plus 4x. Then and then you will get what? Minus 5x. Fine. So उसमें से common क्या निकलेगा? 3x. So 2x minus 3 minus 2 will be the common. Just a minute. It will be, I think, yeah. Okay. Here there will be a plus sign, right? Fine. Yeah. There will be a mistake in this, I think, right? Okay. The plus 2 will be the common one. So the answer will be 3x plus 2 into 2x minus 3. Yes, 3x plus 2, right? Okay. Yeah, it's a printing mistake. I told you, right? Okay. Clear? Fine. Okay. Now I'll give you, still time is there. I'll just write down the question here, right? And just solve it quickly. Fine. First one is 2x squared minus 32. Two x squared minus 32. So what happened into this one? Ten number Yashvi. 10 number Yashvi.
Ma'am, 2 into x plus 4 into x minus 4.
Okay, 2 into x minus 4.
X plus 4.
Okay, so in that one, what 2 will be common? So you will get x square minus 16. Fine. And 16 is nothing but what? 4 raised to 2. So this is the term of what? A square minus b square. So a minus b into a plus b. So x minus 4 and x plus 4. Right? Is there any doubt in this? If you are having doubt, so you can write down in a chat box. Okay? So I'll explain. Okay, fine. So x square minus 16 है ना, तो उसको भी आपको factorize करना पड़ेगा, right? You can't leave it as x square minus 16. Fine. Okay, the another one is 25x raised to 4 minus 121 y square. I will unmute someone. Okay, just similar of the previous one. Just what there is a x and y both, and x raised to 4 is there, right? So that will be only the difference. 25 number. 25 number. Unmute yourself. 25. Yeah. Tell me.
Hello.
What, yeah. You are audible.
5x minus. Hello.
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, 5x minus 11y whole square.
Okay, 5x minus
5x whole square
5x
minus 11y whole square.
Okay.
5x square whole square minus 11y whole square
Okay.
is equal to 5x square minus 11y.
Okay, fine. And 5x square
into
plus
5x
11y.
plus. Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay. So that will be the answer, right? Okay. The next one is y square minus plus y minus 12. Y square plus y minus 12. Just what a is 1 and your c is minus 12. So you need to minus 12, right? You need to divide it, or you need to find out two terms such that the multiplication is minus 12 and addition is 1. Addition is 1. In that way you need to count. Yeah, Akhilesh.
Ma'am, answer is y minus 3 multiplied by y plus 4.
Okay, the answer is y minus 3. Yeah.
Multiplied by y plus 4.
Okay. Fine, right? So 2 factor we will get, that is nothing but what? 4 and 3. So 4 into minus 3, that is minus 12, and 4 minus 3, that will be 1. Okay, fine. Addition of that 2. So your factor you can write down directly now. Okay, no need to write down the intermediate step. Fine. Okay. The next one is a 4x square minus x minus 3. 4x square minus x minus 3. Yes. A is 4, C is minus 3. Perv, 27 number. Unmute yourself.
2 minutes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Four x plus 3 into x minus 1.
4x plus 3 into x minus 1.
1.
Okay, 4x plus 3 into x minus 1. Okay, this is correct one. Okay, any other answer? Anyone is getting other answer? So we can discuss, right? Otherwise, it will be the right one. Fine. Okay, thank you. The next one will be meeting maybe end in 1 minute, right? No need to join it again. Okay, because 40 minutes ho jayega, so meeting will be ended. Now write down this question, say x cube minus 7x plus 6. X cube minus 7x plus 6. Just note down करके रखो. अगर meeting end हो जाती है, so you need to solve it and I'll ask you. Okay. जिसका भी हो जाए ना, just raise your hand. X cube minus 7x plus 6. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 25 number, Dula Hamza. You have raised your hand. You can unmute yourself.